Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get Oxygen OS 15 on your OnePlus 12R. This major update introduces exciting new features and significant performance improvements. You can look forward to smoother animations, advanced artificial intelligence tools, and enhanced privacy controls, all designed to elevate your smartphone experience. Let's get started with the steps to upgrade your device. Before initiating any major software update, proper preparation is crucial. First, make sure your OnePlus 12R has at least 60% battery life to prevent interruptions. Second, create a complete backup of your important data, either to a cloud service or a personal computer, to safeguard your information. Finally, connect your device to a stable Wi-Fi network, as the update file can be several gigabytes in size. Now, let's walk through the installation process. Open your phone settings application. Scroll down and tap on System and Updates. From there, select Software Update. Your device will then check for available updates. If Oxygen OS 15 is ready for your OnePlus 12R, you will see a notification. Tap to download and install the update. Remember, it might be around 4 gigabytes or more. Once the download is complete, your device will restart to finalize the installation of Oxygen OS 15. After rebooting, you can begin exploring the new enhancements. Look for features like Circle to search for intuitive information gathering and new artificial intelligence tools for photo editing. You will also notice significantly smoother system animations and a refreshed, more fluid user interface across your device.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.